So you know it, the kilometer per hour relation with the meter per second, you know it, 1 kilometer per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay? Next. Velocity also uniform, non-uniform, and also the average. Uniform, it has a particular direction. It has a particular direction because velocity is the vector quantity. So, if you consider the object is moving on the road, and straight road, not the curved road. So, if you consider it, the same distance covered by the vehicle or the car in same time interval, that will be the uniform. And when you consider it, the time will be the same, but the distance will be the different. Means displacement will be the different. Displacement will be the different. That time it will be the non-uniform. Average means you know it. The objects start from the initial velocity u and the final velocity v. Time taken from here to there t. Okay? That time the v average equal to, we can write here, u plus v by 2. Okay? Next. Suppose you see the object is moving in this direction, again back to that, again move to this direction. Means A to B, C and D. What will be the displacement? Displacement is that. So if you see, the displacement is S1 from here to there, the time taken is T1, next is T2, time taken is T3, T2 and S2, and third one is S3 and T3. So total time from here to there, time taken is T1 plus T2 plus T3, but displacement is A to D, that means equal to S. So V average for this case, V average equal to displacement by total time taken. Am I clear? So value of the V average means average speed must be greater than or equal to average velocity. Okay. So naturally the value of the speed is more than the value of the velocity of that object if the object does not follow the straight line. If the objects are follow the straight line, that time the speed and velocity both are equal. Am I clear? So the value of the speed must be positive. Must be positive. The value of the velocity, it may be 0 and also may be negative. So one question from this part, what is the difference between the speed and velocity? What is the difference between speed and velocity? First question, you write the difference, main difference. Both are magnitude, but it has only magnitude, it has a direction. So the speed is the scalar, this is the vector. Velocity is the vector quantity, speed is the scalar quantity. The speed always positive. Value will be positive. The velocity, it will be positive, negative, as well as the zero. Okay? And third one, you can write it. Naturally, the value of the speed is more than the velocity. When those are same? Now, when the object moves on a straight line, except this, those are different. Okay? Okay? And if you wish, you can write it, the definition, but definition is not the difference. You only write the difference means not the definition. One numerical from your books, someone students are create problem. If the object is moving in a circular path, start from here and move this direction. Okay? And finish also here. That means the starting point and the finishing point both are the same. So the speed will be distance by time. Two pi r by t. R is the radius of the circle. But velocity equal to displacement by time. What will be the displacement? That will be the 0. Suppose one question from the student side. If the object is moved, start from here and finish there, means 3/4. Okay? So what will be the displacement? Start from A and finish from this point. On that point means D. What will be the displacement? The displacement will be the chord of it. Okay? What will be the chord? You know from your geometry, if this is equal to R and that is equal to R, and that angle will be 90 degree. So this is the hypotenuse. We can easily find out the value of. Am I clear? One question from the student side. If the object is moving in a circular path and 3/4 after this, what will be the displacement? So displacement will be the chord of that circle. That means dA. That means the value will be, if radius r, that means the value will be r√2. From your books, you also tried one question. From your NCERT book, you follow it. An object travels 16 meters in 4 seconds. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds, then another 16 meter in 2 seconds. First, S1 equal to 16 meter, time taken equal to 4 seconds. After this, S2 equal to 16 meter, but time taken equal to 2 seconds. What is the average speed of that object? V average. What will be its formula? S1 plus S2 by T1 plus T2. That is 16 plus 16 by 4 plus 2. That is equal to 32 by 6. That is equal to 16 by 3. That is equal to 5.5 whole 1/3 meter second to the power minus 1. Okay. So you can try it and you find out it. So many numericals in your books or surroundings, you collect it. You collect it and you find out the value of different type of numericals. Thank you, my student.